All right, up bright and early and headed to Nocona, Texas. I got to swing through Groesbeck and pick up my dad and a trailer because we're picking up a new project vehicle for the gentlemanracer.com, which I think you guys are going to really enjoy. So we're up bright and early. This is what it's like when you go car hunting in Central Texas. And here is the new project, 1987 Grand Wagoneer. All right, guys, so we just got back with the Grand Wagoneer project. Picked this up about 250 miles from here up in Nocona, Texas. It's been sitting a long time, but let me show you what we're working with. So this is a 1987 Jeep Grand Wagoneer. No motor, no transmission. It had a blown motor, and that's how the guy who we bought it from got it. But all the trim, except for a couple pieces, is intact. The body's very clean. There's a little dink there. No major rust, no major body damage though. Other than that, all the trim is in great shape. Inside, interior is complete, but dirty, obviously. Needs to be refreshed. The seats are pretty bad. But the dashboard has pretty much had that cover on it since new, so the dash pad is actually in very good condition. It's like almost brand new. Everything else, though, we're going to have to basically recover, rework, and clean up. But overall, really impressed with how good this Jeep Wagoneer is. Again, no major rust, no major body damage. Also no motor. We're thinking about putting a Chevy V8 in it, but we've also talked about maybe doing a Hemi motor from a later model Chrysler, kind of keep it in the Jeep family, but don't know. Comment down below what engine you would like to see us put in this Wagoneer. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. This was just kind of a quick intro video about the new Wagoneer. We will have a story on this on thegentlemanracer.com soon, kind of outlining the project once we have the drawings and renderings done. But yeah, super excited. It's going to be a lot of fun, and I will see you guys in the next video.